Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change screen on-off animation in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see dynamic effects. Press on this. Now go to screen on-off animation. From here, you can choose your screen on-off animation. And press on apply. So by this, you can change your screen on-off animation. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.